Merry Christmas, everybody. We are getting ready to go out and have Christmas lunch. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Good morning, everybody. All right, we are piling in cars. We got Ed and Scotty back there, Marcia. Hello. And Sue's gonna drive. I'm gonna ride up front with her. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars going. We are all going to Eats Buffet for Christmas.
I forgot I was driving.
And we are waiting on one individual. That would be Aja.
These celebrities.
I'm confused. Where's Alan?
What's going on back there?
Where the heck is Sal and Sharon going?
Come on, Aj.
They're going in their car.
Honey, we need air.
So we have
Some keys.
our reservations are at 1 o'clock, and we have only a 15-minute window, and everybody has to be there at the exact same time, or they will give our seats away.
Whoa.
They're very, very strict about
hardcore.
it. Very hardcore. Just because it's Christmas, and they're a very popular restaurant. So we'll see you guys.
Merry
either
Christmas.
I'm gonna tell you what.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Autistic.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
It's a Christmas miracle. We've coordinated 26 people going
Yeah,
to
we
the
have
buffet.
26 people. So
We have six or seven transport vehicles.
here comes Aj. Merry Christmas, Aj.
6 transport vehicles.
Yay!
Made her stop walking.
Everybody did so good.
All right, sorry about flipping you guys all over the place.
Everybody did so good.
They're
Showing
all
up on
going.
time. Everybody looks beautiful.
We did. So I made the reservation, and Sue coordinated all of this. She sent out a
my
group.
notes.
Yep, all those people. She sent out a text group message, which was extremely comical.
You know what? You should shut the door and go back.
And
I'm sorry.
wait,
Because Miss Sasha is walking back to her camper. She probably forgot a battery or
Yeah.
a SIM card.
okay.
Marsha, can you
Yeah,
grab that
let's
door
just
by
go
yourself?
get her because everybody's already.
Of course I can.
I can jump out and get it.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
All right, hon, you're backing up all the way to Oxford.
Okay.
Banging.
Jay is still with us, but he just wants to stay here. He wants to just kind of relax today. I'm going to get him some food to go. And then we'll come back here, and I don't know what the festivities are going to be tonight. A dance party? Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
Oh,
Dance
we need
party.
to knock out. Yeah, that'll
All right.
do well.
I got to get my seatbelt on.
Merry
Finish.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I didn't get to finish my thing here.
What? You look beautiful. Merry
Well,
Christmas.
whose fault is that? Get up earlier.
I did. I got up at 8. I took a shower because I took a shower. And
Well,
You
by
look
some
beautiful,
miracle,
Matthew.
we are all ready to go on time.
Technology issues.
I know. So we had
Exhausted from the coordinating.
Remember when technology issues that went on Christmas
We had
Day were
potluck
not-
last
not
night.
the right
I didn't
batteries
eat
for
very much
whatever you
potluck.
bought. Exactly. Yeah.
I always
Now
eat
it's
too much
cameras
of
and
that,
SIM
Yeah,
cards
I
and
took a little bit of each, but I didn't eat.
but I haven't eaten since. So
Yeah.
it's been a... Now the key is making sure no one gets left behind when we leave the restaurant.
Okay, this group right here has the biggest bar on the other side of this rig. I don't know if it's
Really?
still out there. I was so surprised that it was on the road. Like,
Look at his shirt.
look at his shirt. Merry Christmas! Oh yeah, they've moved the bar. It was like right on the road.
They're like, where are all they?
Yeah, it's a creative hour for
So,
4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 vehicles.
this is Sal and
I'm
Sharon?
pretty sure.
Okay, and then who's in front of them?
That is Jennifer and Jason.
And then
Candy.
Jesus, how many
Candy,
cars are there?
Chuck.
Liddy,
Okay, and then,
And
but in
Chuck.
Candies, it's Chuck
Chuck, Ken,
Ken,
and Michelle.
and Rady.
And Rady.
And then in the truck is who? In the white truck in
That's
front?
Chuck and Lindy.
Ooh.
Linda.
Yep, that's where that right there is
Linda's
where my
with-
glass came up front. That's why I have a big
I know all the
About
clothes
1,
came off the
2,
hangers in my
Oh, yeah.
closet,
4, 5, 6
I opened the
vehicles.
closet. 07.
07
Yep.
vehicles going.
Because Jimmy's friend Stacy's driving her car.
Okay. Yeah, so how many
We had to organize this with military precision.
Well, we've made it into Yuma, to Arizona, back into Arizona.
Water treatment plant. Clean the pool.
Smells good.
Okay, we made it. We made it, and we're actually really early, which is amazing for 26 people here. Oh, you gotta let everybody out.
Why is it childproof?
Ah, you gotta pull the third row of the tire.
No, it's got some child protection.
Pull it again.
Now you have to stay here.
Alright, everybody settle down.
Okay, so we're early. We're gonna go in and see if they have our table ready. If they do, then we'll go ahead and see if we can get seated. That might work out better for them. Get us in and out of here so they have their afternoon crowd. So, all right.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Okay, this is Eats Asian Super Buffet. Okay, she said we can all come in. And everybody has to be in with us at the same time. Everybody has to pay and go through at the same time. That is amazing that we got all of us in here at one time. That is our group. And we still have all of this. So we could have had quite a few more people come. It's tilting a little bit, right? Wait till we all get done eating.
I think it would be easier if you had an end seat somewhere.
Very fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all the yummies. Look at that. There is so much good food. Oh, Scotty will be over here in the ice cream, believe me. They've just got all kinds. Yeah. Oh, and they got clams. You like clams? Shrimp. All kinds of chicken. And then this is our favorite over here. Look at the sushi bar. This is our favorite right here. So beautiful. Okay, we're gonna start out with sushi. This is, I know we're a little close. Sorry, Michelle. So this is fried sushi, and then some California type egg rolls. Got some soy and wasabi. Yum.
So much stuff, I'm just
I know.
freaking out.
Freaking out.
It's a freak out. How are y'all feeling?
Oh my god.
Oh. Where are you going?
Aja, are you awake? Candy? Michelle? Yeah? Linda?
Well, I have to get it back.
Are you full? Lindy? Yeah, I think we're all full.
I saved room for something else.
Ice cream cone.
Oh, Terry, you might have to get out and get the ice and stuff.
Okay.
People want to know if we're going.
Ed, what did you say?
What?
It's harder to get in now you're full.
Yeah, and then I said, damn.
Sharon's asking if we're going to some monument.
I don't think
It's
so.
Christmas. I don't think they're open.
No,
they're not
that's
open.
a negative.
They
on
were
the monument.
the parking lot was very closed.
Very close.
That was very
Not just a little close, but very, very close. Very close. The sign said we're very close.
All right, everybody's getting back in
where
their
are we going?
rigs.
Right over there?
We're gonna go to the grocery store for a minute, the one that's open, and back to camp.
Yeah, so go out.
I think Walmart went out of business. It's the emptiest we've ever seen it.
It'd be be good to see a shot yesterday yesterday afternoon and then today.
And the person with the trailer there, they
Unhitched and left it there.
yeah, they think they got the full resort.
That's a bold move.
The rest.
Hey, hon, you need to get a bag of ice too while you're in there. I can't get out.
All right, everybody get what
Unless
they
I'm just
need.
getting out.
Nope, I'm not.
There's no hurry, so do what you gotta do.
GoPro, stop recording.
Aja,
What are you? What are you?
Because I got high.
Aja, what is your new word?
Oh, dylexa?
Alexa.
No, dyslexic.
I have to get
Like
right
all the,
lane.
dylexa.
Yep, right lane.
Yeah, you want to...
And then you're gonna turn right up here.
No.
Oh,
What are you recording?
I'm recording us going for a walk after we had such a wonderful lunch is all what it really was. Terry's got her grabber in her bag. In case you,
some trash.
then if you happen to see her wound there, we had a glass break and she happened to jam her hand right on it and kind of cut her up really good and really deep. And our doctor lady friends have taken care of Terry.
They're not doctors, they're nurses.
Nurses, which is even
Yay,
better.
Nurses.
So we're just gonna go for a walk around here. You can kind of see how much this is further heading west or heading south from where we're at and everything. We're gonna walk down there a little ways and then just pick up some garbage. In fact, we might even wait for our friend up here.
Oh, Jay's coming.
Jay's gonna come. I think he's yelling for us.
You know,
Wait.
He just yelled, GoPro, stop. We'll wait for you, Jay.
There's the big tents over there, and they're gonna have a dinner later tonight for Christmas dinner.
But we've already had dinner, so we're not doing
Yeah,
that.
we're already all full. All right, you can see how far we are from main camp, and we've walked all the way to here, and look what we finally found.
That is the first piece of garbage we found.
Yep,
We're pretty excited about that.
it is really clean out here. This
Yeah,
is incredible.
Beautiful. That's actually the first place I think we've been that's this big that we haven't seen a lot of garbage.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Yeah, and we're away from town quite a ways.
Yeah, it's very nice. I wish all our walks were like that, where we only had one thing or none in our bag when we came back.
I know, and I was going to bring my picker-upper, but I'm glad I didn't because I would have had to fight you over that piece. We're going to have to go in the washes and look. And a lot of times that's where the garbage ends up in because it blows into where the trees are, and the trees are usually in the middle of these washes.
Yeah,
But this is really, really clean.
There's some right here. It's not necessarily that people are being litter bugs. The wind picks up out here, and then things that are around campsites just, you know, sometimes they blow around out
They
here.
disappear.
Yeah, so it's not always that people are being litter bugs. Gotta get that one.
No, I mean, it's really clean.
It's a really nice place to come and camp out at. Lots of room. A lot of room to spread out, and
And in California, do they charge you for a plastic bag?
I don't know.
So if they charge you for a plastic bag, and I know they charge you for beer, or soda cans, beer cans, and for plastic bottles. So I guess you're not going to throw money around and just let it be. So that's one of the benefits, maybe. Because a lot of times that's what you see out here is just plastic bags all in these trees wrapped around them, and unfortunately even toilet paper laying on the ground. But this is nice and clean. So if you see out in the distance out there, the sand dunes, that right there is the border to Mexico.
And then there's Glamis.
And Glamis mountain or sand dunes.
Sand dunes.
There's a 10-cent bottle. We got into depth out here. I'm finding it.
Tile has a really nice free recycling bins up there for plastic bottles and whatever else. Really nicely set up, so
Oh yeah, we can.
take that to the recycle bin.
I forgot about that. Yeah, we can. They can recycle stuff out here too. Yep.
Yeah. Well, our video isn't about cleaning up or anything. We're just taking a walk, having a little stroll after dinner.
A Merry Christmas stroll.
Yeah.
I do have my boots on, and Terry has flip-flops on.
Don't
So it's
tell them that.
it's
They
one
don't
of those
like it when they
days.
see me in my flip-flops
Oh,
when I'm walking.
well, I'm not gonna tell you. Well, we're just walking. We're not hiking. So it's a mixed day.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the sun. Now it'll
Sure
get.
hope you guys all had a happy holiday with family and friends. And if you don't celebrate the holiday, we hope you had a wonderful day. Either way.
And we haven't seen any coyotes out here. I haven't even heard any.
Don't want to run into that. I don't see very many of those out here.
Well, that looks like it will tear you up. Then again, everything in the Arizona desert will tear you up. GoPro, stop recording.